Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
I'm Pete Bennett, and you're watching Big Bennett TV. What's up, guys? We're getting ready. It's a little dark out. Camera's making it look nice and light out, so it's light out, but it's really like 5 o'clock, but you know the days are getting shorter, the nights are getting longer. Cold starts going on. Oh. Yeah. We're moving it out. And my mom's getting ready. Are you ready, Ma?
Yeah, go and get the Christmas tree and make
Yep. I don't know what Trish is doing, but we're going out. We're going and getting that Christmas tree down in Mexico. It's cut your own, so we're gonna go get one.
You have something to cut it down with?
I think so. Pops, you got something to cut it with? Oh, right there. We're gonna cut it with those.
This is the sharpest thing around, right?
All right, let's get it. We're on site at location, getting the tree. Trish, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready for Christmas.
All right, Pops, you ready?
Hey, definitely.
And it's just, what?
We're ready for Christmas.
Perfect. There's actually people on this road. I never thought people would come down this road, but there is. So we're gonna scout out the area and see if there's any goodies. What? I mean, those look like pretty good ones over there. So we'll do that. My mom wants my dad to turn off the truck. I guess he'll do whatever he wants. We're gonna pick out that tree. They're arguing about who's turning the truck off, who's leaving the truck on. It's a lot of fun. It's Christmas time. It's in the air. No, it's just Trish always says she's a good camera person, but she's always zoomed in. And
I don't know how to work your camera. She's always zoomed in.
my mom's trying to get here. What do you have for shoes on, Ma?
Boots. High boots. The good thing is high boots.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have high boots on.
I think I found a good one though.
Oh.
Right here.
That's huge, TJ. That won't fit in the house.
Yeah, but you know how it works. You cut the bottom and then you cut the top off.
Yeah.
Everyone knows that.
She doesn't know that, TJ.
All right, but yeah, this one right here.
Which one, TJ?
Right there.
Get cut.
That's a beast. That's a beast. What? Why?
It's not even that good. Look in the middle. There's a bunch of non-branches.
There, we just get the top off of it.
No, guys, these are terrible.
Oh, Trish wants the perfect ones that you buy at the gas station parking lot, I think.
These ones down there that were perfect.
Yeah, but the branches was far between, Latricia. No?
All right, guys, this might be a little while before we pick out a tree. So here we are. We found this tree. Now we're gonna have to, as my dad says, chop chop.
Perfect.
I'm just getting all the leaves and stuff out of the way. You always want to cut in a beaver-like pattern. Oh, about 70. Here it comes, guys, get it.
Woohoo!
There we go, guys. Now we chop the top off like we're skinning an animal. I'm gonna cut right here.
Right there?
Yeah, so that right here or here?
Probably there. Probably
Here?
there. Yeah, that would be good. Yeah,
This
here.
is so sharp you can shave with it. I'm gonna cut this top off. Then we're gonna drag it out. Get it. All right, let's get it.
Perfect. Perfect.
there. It's off, guys.
That's it?
Just like that. We got our tree. I'm gonna push it this way so the leaves are against the, can you tug it a little bit, folks? Whew. Oh. It's already off. Just throw it in the truck and then we're gonna size it up as needed.
TJ, how did you manage to
That's how we do it with the axe.
That's how we do it in Canada, folks.
Yeah, Canada, no chainsaws, no saws, strictly an axe.
What about this? So you gonna take this off?
Yeah, stand back. Stand back.
Okay.
You're still holding on. There. Yep. So we're going this way to the truck. And okay, here. I got this.
That's a sharp axe, eh?
Yeah. And Trish, is this your first time getting a tree out in the woods? How'd
Yes,
you
it
feel?
is. That's pretty cool.
I feel bad for all the southern folks that don't get to do this around Christmas time. But you got the nice weather. So we'll bring it back to the house, trim it up, and we'll set it up. So we just got back here. It's snowing like a blizzard out here. And we made it back safe. We're gonna harvest this tree and bring it on inside. So the first thing you want to do is just take it out of your truck and bring it inside.
Perfect. Perfect.
Home sweet home for this new Christmas tree till after Christmas. Woo. All right, come help me now.
You got it. Yipper. Oh wow, that's a big one.
It looks a lot smaller out in the wild, eh?
Yeah, lot smaller. I think probably.
We'll size it up, but whew, we made it inside. And let me know what you guys think. Gonna turn some lighting on here. Of course, they use the switch lighting. Don't know why. You guys let me know like what kind of stuff you guys do. But this is obviously too big. We're gonna trim it up. So we just measured the ceiling to the floor is 7.5 feet. 7.5 feet. So that means we gotta cut this tree to 7.5 feet. Just measured the tree. I'm gonna make the cut with my, everyone calls it a saw, but I just call it a saw. So, yep, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna plug her in, we're gonna pitter pat her and get at her.
Can you show us where you're gonna cut?
Yeah. I thought I marked it, but apparently I didn't, so I'm gonna I'm doing a test cut here, right here. So now we got that. I'm gonna take this piece off, set it aside, and see if she's tall enough. Actually, see what my mom's doing over there. Ma, what are you doing over there?
Oh, you don't have to look at me. I'm just washing out the holder here.
All right, the holder got dirty again, so
From years.
from years of use, even though we haven't had a Christmas tree last year, because we usually don't celebrate Christmas with a tree, but this year,
PJ, we usually do, just last year.
we usually do, but last year my mom and fake Christmas trees, and we didn't even have a fake one. This year we went all out, went outside, got a tree, it's good. So we're gonna get it in the pot. So my mom's just cleaning up the floor right now, and I'm standing in front of our Christmas tree that we got set up. And my dad's just trying to put on the football game because he's wanting to watch football all day long.
Kansas City.
But overall, guys,
Yeah.
what do you guys think? When do you guys usually put your trees up?
Yeah, I got shaking still like this one.
Well, this is great. It's not hitting the roof. It's everything you could have wanted, and Trish was really the one that wanted this. I mean, I usually go with, I don't know what kind of trees I go with, but...
Fake ones?
No, I don't think we've ever had a fake one in our lives. But Trish has been wanting a tree, and I was just like, alright, let's just go cut our own. So that's what we did. Are we gonna decorate this ever, or?
Yeah, but we gotta let it dry first.
Yeah, there's water all over the place, because as you guys seen when I first brought it in, it was snowing like crazy out, and not a good time to get a tree, but only day really you can get a tree. So we'll get it set up and we'll start decorating it. Got all my Christmas decorations. Isn't much. Trish started decorating a little bit. Yeah, we had to let the tree dry out, set it up, give it some water. It fell down in the middle of the night. It's the next day because I had to let it dry out, and I had other stuff I gotta do. But now we'll see this get all set up and stuff. I'll set you guys up in a time lapse and go. Trish, what do you have to say?
It's Christmas time.
Woohoo! And then there's like a big cluster right there.
Maybe we could put these on the board, so it's not just hanging. You know what I mean? Like.
Yep.
Do you want to get some tape for me?
Oh, you don't need tape.
Well, it's gonna just fall right off, so you don't need tape.
I'm gonna give you guys a walk around of the tree. I noticed quite shortly into decorating it that it was simply not going to hold all of our decorations, but that's okay. I mean, pretty much we put around 50% of our decorations that we've accumulated through the 20 years, 20 plus Christmases we've had. But overall, it's great. It's got a lot of culture to it, and it has everything you could dream of. This is actually a book I got from my mom in 1997, the night before Christmas. My mom still reads this to me before bed. See, it's got all the illustrations. We're not gonna go into that, but. And instead of a star, we got a little angel. It looks gorgeous.
You like the window part?
Yeah? So what do you think, Trish? Cane beads, flowers,
Lots of more lights.
yeah, some lights, and pretty much a bunch of stuff that's under there. But we're not doing that because this tree simply can't hold it all. And we put some water in it, it's good to go. And for all you guys out there that do your other Christmas trees, comment down below what kind of stuff you do, or how you celebrate Christmas. Do you use a fake tree? Do you use a real tree? Do you use, geez, I've seen people use tires. I've seen people use pallets. I've seen a lot of crazy things because not everybody has access to this type of tree. I think it's like spruce or something like that. But thank you guys for watching. You've seen us take it from the wild, bring it to the home, and decorate it. All for a small price of free. Thank you guys for watching. Tune in next week. I don't know what's going on next week, but there will be a video next week. And don't forget, smash that subscribe button, because if you're subscribing, you're gonna get a chance to win my beard once I get 100 subscribers. Don't forget. Thanks for watching. Peace.